with the multi-shop system. So now in this session we will discuss core Java and JDBC, the part of the advanced Java. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So in this session we will discuss what is the Java and how student will be understand and how student will be more get the depth information inside the project through the core Java. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So can you say something about you? So that's better for me.
All right. So we already given an introduction, like all the folks in the meeting as 10 plus years of experience,
Okay.
and we are with the background of mainframe and AS400.
Okay.
Guys are new to the open technologies like Oracle, Java. We are all brand new for this.
Okay.
So part of it, assume like 0% knowledge, and you can start with with the basics.
Yeah, basics. So that's why Java, we have two categories here. Java who are already developed through the books or website. The Java is a
Mm-hmm.
high level programming language developed by the James Gosling and his team. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
major part of it that how a student will be understand, because student will be if understand based on the technology, they will be not get the
Mm-hmm.
depth. They will be not get the depth. So I will be deliver. So how you will be get the understand on your way, then you will be implement easy in the programming and your project also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now I will be share to you some screen. So
Mm-hmm.
are you getting my voice? Hello.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
I'm able to see your screen.
Okay. Thank you so much. Now see here. What is Java? I mentioned the Java is a human. Okay. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
See,
Mm-hmm.
Java is the purpose for me to solve the problem of the human, means you and me. We are a human. Because whatever the project in the market, they are solving the problem me only. Just like you think like the railway reservation or banking domain or any
Mm-hmm.
metro service, they are solving the problem me. Means we will think about me self. What are the event given by me only. So that's why we are putting here
Okay.
Java is a human. For student understanding, it is the API document. Okay. So you can see,
Mm-hmm.
you can ask the what is a document file. Document file just like a same as a behave as a English dictionary. You see that document file
Mm-hmm.
behave as English dictionary where you will see all the details, English word meaning, noun, pronoun, adjective. Same thing happening in the document file. You will be see all the details about a Java package, object, class, interface, abstract class, annotation types, enums, error, and exceptions. I would like to inform to
Mm-hmm.
you regarding a Java. Inside the Java, only 4 topic is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Object, class, interface, abstract class. Entire information, if you will get the Java or advanced Java or framework, Spring, okay, structs, there also major role of the object, class, interface, abstract class. So we should know the
Mm-hmm.
all information about the 4 things, because entire life will be used as a fresher or as a experience. So we have
Mm-hmm.
need. So the same as a see, we are already know about the dictionary in the childhood, but if you are getting the depth, we are spending the time for the getting the information
Correct.
inside the English dictionary. The same thing happen in the Java technology. Whenever you will be use the document API, you will be little the time
Mm-hmm.
and you will be spend the time, you will be easily to understand. That's why I'm seeing, I write here Java is a easy programming language, but if you understand, if you'll work based on the rules only, people are very about the rules and they are directly implementing the program, so that's what they are facing the problem. So before
Mm-hmm.
implementing the program inside the project coding, you should know the rules. What are the rules? If you keep in your mind the rules, you have no worry about that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can ask what is the API already discussed, application programming interface. The see, James
Mm-hmm.
Gosling team his purpose to develop the programming with the easy way. So how much people can adopt and how much people can understand the easy way. So I will be show you
Mm-hmm.
where is the API and how you will be learn after getting the some basic information. Whenever you deploy on self in the project, more number of company are using the API. Every company have a
Mm-hmm.
different project. Some this is the public API. Proprietary API is there, so they are work based on the same rules, but they are different architecture only. Okay.
Okay.
So Java is open source, free of cost. So more number of people are using. It is a easy programming language if you will understand based on the rules. This is my experience.
Okay.
Okay. So for the interview purpose, you can say that this is the high level programming language. This is the
Mm-hmm.
high level programming language. So this is the man. First released by the Sun Microsystem in 1985. From 1986, Oracle take care over the Java through the Oracle database, reported 3 billion plus device. When you will install the Java on your system, there you will be see the some instruction. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you will see the instruction 3 billion plus means more number of device will be display, what are the where will use. Okay. So some
Mm-hmm.
laptops, some games, standalone application they are using on the Java right now in the market. Okay. It has some features. Java work based on the some features which is the most recommended, or you can say that features. Major point of that, what are the features, why people are using this kind of the features, and later point of time when you will be get the experience in the Java, you will be also put the features, but matter is that how much you understand how you will be solve the problem of the student and how you will solve the problem of the project. That's the matter. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So here we have a features object. First topic is the object. Already I tell you, you have a 4 point in their Java: object, class, interface, and a state class. They are a major role. Means before watching any movies, we are seeing the heroes and actors. What are they doing that? The same thing happen in the Java. They have a major role of the object. Objects, we are object. Java is a thing for the object, how to solve the problem of the object. Okay. Second thing is that
Mm-hmm.
reusability. Reusability means already develop the class interface inside that how you will be used. I will be teach you how you will be used here only. Okay. Robust, internally they are configured as a robust. Okay. Then portable, suppose if you will work here, if you will type the program, whatever you will other operating system will be that they will be give the same output there also. There will not any problem face as a C. If you will go to the C programming language, they are change the output based on the processor. Okay. This hello,
Yeah, we are here. Carry on.
are you getting? The same thing happen in the garbage
Yes.
collector. I will be elaborate all features when we start the our session. Then will be all discussed will be during the class session. So garbage collector, more number of object will be there inside the programming. So whenever you will be not use the object reference, the garbage collector one function is there. They will be catch up the unused reference and they will be secure. So that facility in will there. Java programming also secure and mostly security purpose will also using, and they are follow the OOPS concept. Inside the OOPS concept, major part is the object, class, interface, encapsulation, polymorphism. So I will be discuss where you will be the encapsulation in your program, what are the importance of the polymorphism, what are the type of the polymorphism. Reusability also come from the inheritance concept. Okay. And some slogan will be there. If you will be one place you will be write the Java program, you will be run anywhere, they will be get the same output. Multi-threading. Multi-threading, something like me, you and me are a thread. The same thing happen in the class. If you write a one class, they are behave just like a thread. Okay. So I will be discuss more depth inside the when we will start the first programming language. There you will be say what is the thread and what kind of the exception will be get. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So major when we develop the program, major part of the exception, how much you have knowledge about the exception. If you understand the exception, what cause of problem will be arise inside the exception, then you will become the good developer. The same thing happen if you some doctor will be complete the MBBS and they have no knowledge about the primary at least 100 exception or disease name, they have a very complex to search and solve the problem of the patient. The same thing happen in the programming language. As a fresher or as an experienced candidate, you should prepare or you knowledge about the exceptions. That's why you will solve the easily way the programming and solve the problem. There will not face the problem. Okay.
Yeah.
So same multiple inheritance through the interface we will achieve whenever you will be develop the codes, then how you will be deliver the codes, that's the matter. I will be informed to you how you will be the interface on how you will be use the class. Okay, so based on the experience, whenever you will get the information inside the Java, you can also put the feature of that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we will be discuss. I will mention the here some features. Whenever you will get the depth of the any topic, you should prepare a 4 things about that. Okay, definition. What is the definition of that? What is the example of that? And 3 points. Sometimes say the property, features. Sometimes property, features, and syntax will be required. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Are you there, Sanjeev? Hello.
Are you getting?
We are unable to hear you.
Okay. Hello. Are you getting my voice?
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
So
Now I'm able to hear.
yeah, so see here right now I'm delivered to you some rules. So based on the rules, we will be work. Okay. So already deliver you whatever have the most important topic. We have 4 things: object, class, and interface. So this is the all rules
Mm-hmm.
deliver here. Right now I will be go to the development part. How you will be write the program, what are the importance of the program. So already install you have a Java in your system.
No, I think we required you to tell us what version that we need to get into that and etc. Maybe we'll get ready accordingly.
Okay, so you can install the JDK 1.8. That's better for you. Okay.
Okay.
During the session, I will be delivered to you what feature will be come in 1.5, what are the complexity will be get, solve the problem in 1.6, and what are the feature will become
Mm-hmm.
1.7. I will be delivered because see, whenever develop the program inside the Java technology,
Mm-hmm.
they have a search and find out what kind of the problem will be mostly come inside the exception and why people are and developer are not solve the problem. So they are change the syntax of the exception. So easily can understand the fresher or experienced candidate to solve the problem. So they are thinking
Okay.
that. So they are thinking like that. So that's why if you will use 1.5, they are simply say that they have a thread exception is there. Means people are not able for understand what is thread and what is that. But if you will go to the
Mm-hmm.
1.8, they are mentioned that main method is a thread that. Okay. So please you should
Mm-hmm.
mention public static void main. So as a fresher understand very easily way because they will be elaborate about the exception information. So major,
Okay.
so major part is also here in the Java training. If trainer will be know where will be development this code and where will we face the problem of the student, they can easily to handle the
Mm-hmm.
problem.
All right.
So I will be delivered through the events. Suppose when we write the program, so what are the importance of the keyword inside that? How much importance of the keywords? That's also mentor of the programmer. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
you are a see, I will be take the example of our society and you and me because they are solving the problem of us. Java solve the problem of me, okay, and you. So I will be take the some example. Suppose you are a manager, okay, you have a 10th rooms. If you don't know about the key, which key will be open the which room, very difficult to as a post of the manager. Am I right?
Yeah.
So same thing happen in the programming language. If you know the advance before developing the programs, what is identifier? How you will be identify the codes and what are the keyword will be there? What are the rule of the class? What are the rule of the interface? You can easily enjoy the programming language and whenever during the programming language, if you will know about the exception information, you can give the same exception, you will see the advanced Java, same exception in will you will get the JDBC, but different layout will be changed. So that's why we have need to the fundamental information of the core Java. Whenever people
Okay.
have 5th year experience or 10 years experience or 15, they have knowledge about the core Java because everywhere core Java is required. Without core Java, we cannot anything else. So that's the matter. So right now we have deliver what is the object. You will be see the different way, but first we are understand what is the object in the real life and how you will be deliver. Okay, so see here
Mm-hmm.
those item element product exist in the real world. This is called objects. This definition valid for
Mm-hmm.
technology Java. See, or .NET is also there. So object human pen pencil, you can say that the object means Java thinking for me to how to solve the problem of the human. So that's what we are using now. After that, object have a some type. We are dividing of the type of the objects, group of the status and group of the behavior. Got it? Because
Mhm.
every property have a some different type. So that's, see, if people will see to you how you will be get the information entire, so you will be differentiate. So that's better for us. Okay. Then some syntax will be also here. We should during the interview real time how this object will be right. This syntax will be right in the Java programming. Okay. So whenever will we start the code, there I will show you what is the use of this, what is this constructor, what is the reference variable, and this is one with the class name. Okay. So I will be deliver. See, so already know what is object. This is a real time entity. This exists in the real world. The same thing, the class is a representative of the object. Got it? Class is a representative of the object because whatever will be discuss us about the technology inside the class only. Got it? You are also sit in the class. Whenever develop any project, there also mention the one class. But you will be see this definition in the anywhere. The class is an instance of the object and object is an instance of class. But people are totally confused as a fresher or experience. So that's why I clear up the confusions. Whatever topic and discussion will be as a object, you will discuss inside the class. The same thing here. Class is a representative of the object in the Java. They are if logically exist where object will discuss their physically exist inside the our on the earth. Got it? So we,
Yeah.
so if you have a question during that, you can ask. See, class example system. Already we have a predefined class name system. Compiler has also one class. Package is also class. Object, we are mention the object. See, we are entire information we are getting the object only. Okay. So that's why object name also as a class mentioned in the Java. Okay. Object exists in the real world, but one keyword will be used inside the Java because object is the treat as a superclass. They have a predefined methods. So you should remember as a developer or fresher every what are the measure information inside the object. See, if you don't know about the parents, suppose we have a facility to utilize a parent information. So what will do? You should remember the all property authority of the parents. The same thing in the object. Object have a 11 methods. So you will be remember all the information about the objects. Got it?
Mhm.
Because they have a privilege of object to share all method to child class wherever we will use. Got it? So that's why as a fresher experience we have remembered the object method 11 and all keywords. So that's why we are using, and then we are writing the predefined object. Human is also just like a customized Excel class name. So we are mentioned. Okay. See, here we are mentioned the group of the status inside the object. Got it? Inside the object. The same thing saying that inside the class, whenever you will write the class, there will be group of the variable you will deliver. When behavior, whatever you're doing by the performed by the objects, they are doing behavior. The same thing object group of the methods doing inside the class. So we are writing there was some syntax in the class. Class, this is the class and this is the class name. We are mentioned the some variable. Okay, group of variable. This is the method so predefined given by the Java through the JVM privileged group of method. We can write the multiple method also. This is the syntax of class. Got it? This is the syntax of class we are mentioned. Okay. So can I say about the identifier? What is the identifier? Okay. Hello.
Yeah, we are there.
So are you getting? If you have any question, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
ask. Okay. So a name in a Java program is called identifier. Means how you will identify. Suppose if I will meet to you, you are human. Already I aware about that human behavior. But what is the uniqueness of you? The same thing happen inside the Java programming language. How to identify. So some here class name is here, variable name is here, method name is here, and label name. means 4 name will be there for identify of the Java programming, how you will be identified. So you should remember of that. See, we are write one program. This is the class. Class is also keyword. Human is the objects represent through the class keyword inside that. Then again we will write method public static void main. I will be deliver the all details, why public will be mentioned, why will we use mention the static, why will we manage the void, what is the main cause of the main method, what is the string array argument, and is it possible to change the variable reference or not. I will be deliver. See, so you have a one class, so how you will be identified, can you say that? Based on these rules, can you identify which one is the identifier of this program?
Human is a class name.
Okay, good.
Main is a method name.
Okay, good.
X is a variable name.
X is a reference variable. Good.
I don't see a label name over here.
See, we are not mention label. Whenever discuss inside the switch case, there will be see the label. Got it? See?
Okay.
Okay. See, here is also a string array. This is the also class. This is the also class. This is the identifier. ARGS is also reference variable. So already tell you this is the variable. So this is the reference. This is also identify. We can do that. Remaining things, void. Void is a return type. This is the part of keyword. Got it? Static also keyword. Public is also keyword. Here inside the class we will deliver. Is it possible to only reference variable use? This is the reference variable given by the me. If you will be use the keyword, we have a 53 keywords. If you will use the keywords here, you will be face the problem. You will get the compile time error. So you will out of the rules. So you have no knowledge of the out rules. So that's if you will teach to here what kind of the rules will be there. But if you will be as a reference variable, we will write the class name and interface name. They will be work. This is the internal rule. Got it?
Okay.
And this one is the data type. This one is the data type. So we have a data type range. I will be delivered. This is the literal value, and this is the semicolon. Will be terminate of this syntax. Got it? And all information work inside the main method block. Okay. So So we have a one. They are counting also a space. Second line, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and fifth. They are counting all line, whatever, all row, whatever the space will be there inside the Java program. Then this program will be saved with Java dot Java. Got it? Suppose human.java will be save this program. So syntax will become this program. Okay. So I will be deliver inside the development when we do that. See, we have a rule. Okay. Rules of the identifier. What is the rule of identifiers? So we are mentioned here. The only allow character in a Java identifier we can use is small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9, underscore and dollar. Remaining things other if you will put, they will be got the some exception. Got it? So we will work on the roles only. See, here you will be mention the curly brackets after the class. If you will be put the curly brackets here, they will also work, but this is not good as a developer. Fresher you can do, but if you will see the programming and the project, they have mentioned the rules. You should please mention the curly brackets here. That's the architecture of that. Okay. So every point we will focus here. Major part. See, if you are using any other character, we will get compile time error. Just like see, all underscore member, this is the true. We will be work properly because they have a follow the rules. Got it? Small, underscore and member. But here you'll see we are mentioned the has. This is the face the problem. We will cross. We will cross this one. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, the same thing, dollar is a mention underscore. So this one will be work properly. This one will not work because they have a out of rules. They are not follow the rules. So every time you should prepare the rules, you will be spend the times that's better for me as a developer and you will become the good. Okay, identifier cannot start with the digit. Means identifier cannot follow the digits. See, after character, if you will mention the digits, they will be work, but they will be not before the character. Suppose if you mention the class name 1 2 3 totals, they will be not work, they will get some error. See here, total 1 2 3, they will countable, they will be work. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
The same thing, Java identifier are case sensitive. So if suppose you have a 3 variables and different character use, some capital, small mix, they will be treated as a different. They will be not treated as a same. So there also problem will be solved here. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Then there is no length limit for the Java identifier. Means you can write any long distance as a class name. Suppose human, if you print a human and multiple time, they will work. But this is the not rule. Suppose if you are mentioned your project class name 100 line, they will be see the complexity. Okay. So we should mention at least take the more than 15 character or 20. You can do that based on the requirement, because whenever you will be take the requirement from the client, we have a discussion inside the analysis part, what are the size will be class name, what are the method name, all detail will be getting. Okay, so don't worry about that, we are getting all information inside the document file. Okay, before develop the project. Got it? Then
Yeah.
reserve word cannot be used as identifier. See, reserve word cannot be identifier. Reserve word means keyword. We are saying that reserve word means keyword who is developed by the Java developer. Means they are providing the Java developer to keyword. You cannot use as an identifier. Already discussed inside the here. See, if you will use here keyword, they will be say the error. Got it? If you will use
Okay.
a preference variable keyword, we have 53 keywords. If you will use any keywords here, you will be get the error. So that's why we are mentioned here. Cannot use identifier. Got it?
Yeah.
All the predefined Java class name and interface name we can use. Means already tell you here we will use a class name. Suppose you have a predefined class name. Okay, predefined interface name you can use as a reference variable here. Okay, so I will be show what are the predefined class interface in the Java and how you will be learn. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry to interrupt you, Sanjay.
Yeah.
We'd like to, I mean, we are very much okay with your explanation and the presentation, so I'm pleased with that. Having said that, I just want you to go through the curriculum. What is that you're going to cover? I mean, what are the topics at a high level? I think that would be good for the day. So maybe from the session schedule as per from the Thursday, you can go into the details and you can continue for a 2 hours class.
Okay. Okay. So inside that we will be deliver the Java features. Okay. We will discuss
Okay,
the
okay.
object. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have a document to share on the screen?
Yeah. I have some
Do you want?
syllabus. Yeah. I have some syllabus of that. Okay. The feature of
Okay,
Java,
yeah.
class and objects. Okay. What are the
Mm-hmm.
use of the private, protected and public? Why should we require?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will discuss introduction of the
Mm-hmm.
constructor, why you will have need to the constructor and how overloading of the constructor we will discuss. What are the use of the static, non-static? Okay, function overloading. Function word we will not use in the Java. We are using a method.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, function belongs from the C, but same name is you can say that a function. Who are already know about the C++, you can understand.
Mm-hmm.
So here you will see the name of the method overloading. Okay. Then inheritance and its type, function overloading, what are the use of the super key, that's all information we will discuss. What are the use of the property, what is the abstract class, what are the property of the abstract class, where you will be use of the abstract class. Abstract class mostly use we are in the servlet and JSP. So I will be give the some example in the core Java. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Mm-hmm.
nested class interface, what are the interface? Okay, what are the property of the interface, where you will use, we will use here. Then string, what are the importance of the string, how to connect the two string, how to communicate digit with string, we will discuss here. Okay, what are the exceptions, what are the exception will be there, what are the importance of the exception, throws, try, catch, how you will be handle, I will be discuss here. Okay, how to
Mm-hmm.
file input output handle I will be discuss in that package java.io package. file input output fundamental we will write, and then collection and generics. What are the most important? Why? Already we have learned the array, then how much importance after the array of the collection, so we will discuss here. And this is all part of the list set map of the data structure. Okay, so we will discuss. Okay, and what are the interface comparator comparable will be there, where you will be using the real life, we will discuss here. And thread, already told you, I will be show you during the practical right now, where you will say and what is the thread and how to thread communicate between the two. Suppose right now we are talking with you, means I am communicate with you through the headphone. The same thing in happen in the programming language, some method will be there, they are communicate between the two classes. So I will be discuss. Okay, and the life cycle. Then concurrency, how you will be do that, what concurrency you will be get, and the Java.util package, what are the method will be there, I will be discuss. Okay, localization, I will discuss object, each and everything. Then we have a JDBC, means how Java application to communicate with database. So you know the database Oracle.
Yeah, bit of.
Okay, so here we will perform the CUD operation, create, update, delete. We will write the program to the Java, and I will be discuss whatever the predefined jar file will be there. Inside the jar file, what are the class interface is required to I will be deliver. So in later
Okay.
point, later point of time, if you will be use any jar file, okay, so easily to understand what are the class and interface most important for me.
Okay.
So that's the more importance. People are doing the project, mention the more number of the jar file, but they do not know which jar file of which class will belongs to that. That's the problem, getting the complexity in the project. So I will be resolve
All
that.
right.
Okay. So
Okay.
appropriate I will be use here. So
Sure.
can I start the practical session? Some.
Now I think we are good to have close for the day, and maybe we can start from the Thursday.
Okay. So most welcome. And if you have
And
any,
how about you?
yeah, tell me.
No, how about you covering applets and servlets? Is that part of the curriculum or not? Are you
See,
giving any hint, or you are building?
Servlet JSP part of the advanced Java. Okay. So,
Okay.
our department will discuss to you what are there. Then I will be easily to communicate. See, if you will teach to from the class, object, package, methods, all those things by the sequence, you can easily to understand. Whenever you will be learn the servlet and JSP, you can easily to understand the Spring, or you can use the structs, or if you will teach to JDBC, you can easily to understand the Hibernate also. So major part of that,
Great.
we have a core Java. So entire life 80% we are use only core Java. And if you have a depth knowledge of the JDBC, easily can understand the Hibernate. Okay. So
Okay. All right.
if you have a good knowledge of servlet JSP, easily can enjoy the structs and Spring or JSF, whatever you want. So major part I focus, and based on the sequence way. How a student will be learn, that's the main reason. And I will be show you some little bit information. See, we have a JSP, okay, sorry, JSC API. API. See, this
Okay.
provided by our Java Java team. So here, how you will be use of this package and how you will be utilize of the package in your program. That's the main reason. Less
Okay.
amount of people are using of this. So I will be teach from that scenario. You will be enjoy. I hope you will be get the more information, and you will be enjoy the job. My motto is the enjoy the
Sure,
job.
Sandeep.
After getting the information, student will enjoy the job. That's my purpose only. Okay.
Sure, Sandeep. That will
So
be
here
great. Yeah.
java.lang, this is the by default package. Okay. This is the by default package. Inside the package, we have knowledge about the all classes, object. So you should remember, suppose we have a by default package, we are not mentioned there as a developer. If you are not knowledge about that primary things, so they face the problem. Class is also class. They are treating, see, object also treat as a object is a class. So if you will teach like that, you will be get the more depth and you will be enjoy. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So
Guys, you have any other questions?
Because during the
So
session,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
yeah, Venkat. I'm a bit confusing of advanced Java. I mean, this servlets and whatever JSP is coming under the advanced Java.
Okay, okay.
So for that requirement is core Java is first, right?
Yes, first is a core
Perfect.
Java. Yeah. Then
Mhm.
if you will be develop the standalone application or web-based application, you should remember, suppose every that file will be communicated with database. So that's why we are using of the JDBC. So JDBC also have a
Okay.
predefined jar file, how to communicate that. But
Mhm.
whenever you will be the web-based application, you should know about the servlet and JSP also.
Oh, is it mandatory if I want to build the web-based application through Java?
Yeah.
Is it mandatory to learn servlets and
Yeah.
JSP?
Yeah, servlet mandatory. Suppose directly you will be learn the Spring. There also concept will become the servlet JSP. Directly if you will teach to a Spring framework, you have a face the problem
Mhm.
because you will think like where belongs to this one. Got it?
Mhm.
The same thing happens. Suppose you ask.
Yeah, I'm more confusing. Spring, Strad, Hibernate. What really you are using for the real scenario, real web application? Spring.
See,
What is the difference? Spring, Strad, Hibernate. You are talking about.
yeah. Listen. First we have a core Java. Okay. Through the core Java, they are solving the we are dividing the three parts of the Java. First JSC, Java Standard Edition. Got it?
What is that? What is that?
Java Standard Edition I will deliver here. See, this is the first Java Standard, okay, edition. The for general purpose use, desktop application you can use that. Got it?
Oh, okay, okay.
The
Yeah.
second thing is the Enterprise Edition. Whenever you will do web-based application you are mentioned, they will be used. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Third is the Java
Okay.
Micro Edition. Whenever you will chip level card or you are using, they are using. Right now, Macro Edition has been removed in the market. They have using through the Android. But inside the Android, they are using the core Java. Got it? My
Okay.
information. So three part will be delivered. Whenever you will be use the web-based application, you should remember and you have knowledge about that Java E or and JSC because core Java and advanced Java part belongs to that. Whenever you will be the advanced, suppose you will be remove the complexity of your applications, that's why you are using the framework. They have a framework, open source framework, Struts and Spring to make the application of standalone. See, Struts open source framework, they are used for the web-based application only. But if you learn Spring, they have a standalone application and web-based both. They have a facility provide. Okay.
This is
Got
also free, eh? Free to the Spring
open
framework
source.
and
Open source. Yeah, this is the free. MySQL also
okay.
free, but
Hibernate also same.
yeah, so Hibernate also same. Java is also open source, free of cost. They have
Okay.
already told you na API, application programming interface. Means someone develop, we can use it. I will be teach you how you will be used. That's the matter. Already everything is predefined is there. How you will be used, how you will get the major part is there during the sessions. Whenever you will be get the
So
yeah.
yeah, you said that the three parts it will be divided, right?
Yeah.
Java, SC, and EE and ME. ME is no more. So
Huh.
SC is related to our core Java,
Yes, got
and
it.
the Enterprise Edition is related to
Jada,
that whatever.
JDBC first, second servlet and
Okay.
JSP.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes JDBC also belongs to core Java. Okay. But we
Okay.
have a major role of that web application. That's why we are categorized inside that Java, inside the Java, JDBC, servlet and JSP.
Yeah, before going to advanced Java training,
Mhm.
so can you brief at least 1 hour for the servlets? What is JSP? What is a framework? Can you provide it 1 hour or one session for all these brief introduction? So after that we'll go for advanced Java. Can you cover this one session in core Java?
See,
All these things.
core Java already developer. I will be teach you a core Java practical session right now if you will teach. See, whatever you will be mention the web-based application, we are using MVC design patterns. What is a MVC design patterns? Model view controller
Okay.
means where you will be
Okay.
model, where will be controller, and where will you view. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So I will be take one session advanced Java. Our team will be scheduled for this advanced servlet JSP
Okay.
session. So that's why we have need to the core Java. See, whenever you will know about that, how to Java application to communicate with database, then you will be understand the servlet and JSP. Got it?
Okay.
Because inside the
Okay.
one mediator will be that who to control the Java application request. When client will be hit to the Java application, they will be sent to the data to the database. And how to retrieve from the data from the database, though all keyword and predefined keyword whatever you use, I will be discussed during the session only.
Okay. Okay.
So
See, what is, we don't know anything on Java. We don't really anything on Java. When we talk about Java in the market, a lot of people telling that Struts, Hibernate, all the things. So we want to idea, some idea, not really we need to work, but we need idea of what it is, what I
see.
Yeah.
Java, you know about the C++? Did you hear
Yes,
about
but
it?
we academic point of view learned. Yeah.
Okay. See, here also Java is a programming language. Okay. This is a programming language, high level programming language mentioned wherever you will see the book or site. But matter is that Java programming is a main motto is that they solve the problem of us. Got it? If Indian Railway Reservation is the big project of the India, they are also using the structs in the Java because they have some features. Because they have some features. More number of banking domain also using the Java because they have a security. Whenever do the payment gateway, they have a frequently use the Java. Got it?
Okay.
So during the session, I will be deliver how you will be understand. See, you will be get the more depth about me whenever you will be spend the 70% time of your life. Got it?
Okay.
The same thing happen. The same thing happen with the technology. If I will deliver to you, you will be spend the time with the technology. And if you have any doubt, each and everything, just like a child, you can ask. Without, if you are not think like that, and if you are not asking that like, very difficult to understand. So learning skill as a child, if you will ask each and everything, that's better for me. And I will be deliver. Whenever you complete the core Java and JDBC, I will be give you servlet and JSP. Otherwise, if you have need to the other session, advanced Java, I will be give you MVC design patterns, what is the servlet, and after getting a servlet, what is the JSP. Okay.
Okay.
So I will be deliver.
Okay.
So don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. Thanks.
Okay. If you have any other question,
That's all from my side.
Yeah, if you have any other question, you can ask.
Any other questions, guys? Anyone else is having any other questions at the moment? I take the silence as a no, and thank you very much, Sanjay. Maybe we'll try to join you again from Thursday 11 to 1 a.m. for the Java sessions.
Okay, most welcome. Thanks. I hope you will be get some regarding on information. I will give you more. Okay. See you.
All right.
Have a nice
All
day.
right.
Okay, thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
most welcome. See you. Bye.